In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off read receipts in Microsoft Teams. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where this setting lives, what it does, and how to adjust it so it matches the way you like to work and communicate. Let's start in the Microsoft Teams desktop app or the web version, because the steps are the same in both. Go ahead and open Microsoft Teams and make sure you're signed in to the correct account and workspace you want to adjust. This is important because the setting applies to that specific account. Once Teams is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You should see your profile picture there. If you don't have a profile picture set, you might see your initials or a generic user icon instead. In some layouts, you may also see 3 dots or an ellipsis next to your profile. Click on your profile picture or that 3-dot icon to open a small drop-down menu. From this menu, choose the option labeled Settings. This will open a new window or pane where you can customize how Teams behaves for your account. Take a moment to let it load if it doesn't appear immediately. Inside the Settings area, look to the left-hand side of the window. You'll see a list of categories such as General, Notifications, and others. Find and click on the one labeled Privacy. This is where Microsoft groups options related to what other people can see about your activity. Once you're in the Privacy section, scroll or look through the options until you find Read Receipts. This setting controls whether people can see when you've opened and read their messages, and in some cases, whether you can see when others have read yours. Next to Read Receipts, you'll see a toggle or switch. If you want people to know when you've read their messages, make sure the switch is set to on. If you prefer more privacy, or you don't want that pressure to respond right away, toggle the switch to off. As soon as you change this option, it usually takes effect right away. There's no need to save manually. After you've chosen the setting that works best for you, you can simply close the settings window and continue using Teams as usual, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to turn read receipts on or off in Microsoft Teams on the desktop and web versions.